My name is Trish and I have 4 children. They're my world. I work and do this for them.
Trish does jump in with both feet. She likes to help with improvement projects on the floor and really make the company better.
I have a lot to give. I like to constantly be learning something new, and I feel like in this job you learn something new every day.
Packer inspector position in our department is one of the most crucial roles in there. They're the ones that have their hands on every single carton that goes out the door. We run a day shift, a swing shift, and a weekend shift. We understand you have these family things going on. It's nice to have that flexibility.
I wake my kids up for school every morning. I'm able to get them dressed, spend an hour with them, and I drop them off at school before I head to work. We are a 4-10s on my shift. Camping, we don't have to stress, we leave first thing Friday morning, and I'm not taking days off for that. It's the best of both worlds because I get the additional time with my family, but I also have the ability to earn the extra money. You still feel like you get a full weekend, you still feel like you have a life outside of work.
She just has it down, and she's a very impressive person, not only in what she does here at Sonderen, but just in life.
Appreciate what you have. That's a big thing for me. Love what you're doing. Every day you wake up with today's a new day kind of motto. Love your life means live your life to the fullest.